Good morning, everyone. Today we're on lesson 110 and we're working with simplifying decimal numbers. So what that means is when we have some decimal numbers going on, we can remove zeros from the front of the whole numbers, and then we can remove them from the back of the decimal numbers. So for instance, if we had 0.2, or no, how about 02.0100? And this is where our decimal point is. That's our whole number. So in front of it, does it have an extra zero hanging out? Yeah, so we can get rid of it. Then from behind, we see that there's two extra zeros. They can rename it, but it's worth the same. And so if they're extra, we just get rid of those. And we say that we have 2 and 100th. If we had 20.0, here's a whole number, nothing in front of it to change, but back here we don't need this. So we would just simply say we have 20. Then we have 0.200. Here in front we're going to talk about in just a minute, but back here we can get rid of those. So we have 0.2. Now our book, as you notice, likes to keep that zero there, and we've always answered with the zero. But it does really just equal 0.2. So if you do see it this way, it is the same, but our book would prefer us to answer like that, so we're going to keep doing that, okay? We are ready for practice already. It's a pretty short lesson. So if you do not have your journal, please go grab it, push pause, and be back. Okay, so we're going to do some work here. For A, we have 0, 3, and 20 hundredths. Do we need all those zeros? Don't need this one. It's in front of our whole number. Don't need this one. It's behind our decimal numbers. We can simply say we have 3 and 2 tenths. Let's look at B. We have 0.320. We're going to leave this one here because our book asks us to, but we don't need that one. So our answer would be 32 hundredths. Let's look at C. For C, we have 32, but we have some extra zeros back there. We don't need to show the decimal, and we don't need the zeros. We can simply say we just have 32. And then with D, we have 3.020. What zero is not needed? Yeah, we don't need this one. We simply have 0 and 2 hundredths, or 3.02. Oh my goodness. What a night, what a day. It was our first Monday back. We did great. You guys worked super hard. Now let's look at E. We're going to actually add and then decide what to do with our answer. So for D, we have 3.65 and we have 6.35. And we're going to add. So what's 5 plus 5? 10. Carry our 1. 3 plus 6 is 9. Add 1. Got another 10. Ooh, don't leave our decimal point out. And then once again we have the same numbers over here. 6, 3, and 1 add up to 10. What do we have extra that we don't need? Correct. We can just simply say the answer is 10. Okay, let's take a look at F. Oh no. That was E. Why did I call it D? Oh my goodness. Okay, now let's try F. 23.16. But this time we're going to subtract 19 and 46 hundredths. 6, take away 6, you got 0. Can you take 4 away from 1? No. Or like I say sometimes, we have 4 cars to park in the parking lot. There's only one spot. Is it going to happen? It's surely not. So let's go over here. And now we have 11. Take away 4 is 7. Line up your decimal point. Can we take 9 away from 2? Nope, so we go over there. What about 12? Take away 9. 3 is correct. And 1 minus 1 is 0. Do we have some extra zeros? I spy 1 there. I spy 1 there. Our answer is just 3 7/10. So that's what you're doing today. You'll be adding, subtracting, and looking at your answers to see if there's some extra zeros, because we're going to be simplifying our decimal numbers today. I did find the purple pen. Kitty had it on the floor. And assignment 110 today means what's tomorrow? Yep, test tomorrow. It should be pretty simple today, but if you have questions, keep them, write them down, and when we go live, please ask them then. No new video for adverbs because we're reviewing what we learned yesterday. If you need to review adverbs, go ahead and take a look at the video again we did yesterday. And I'll see you in a little bit when we go live. See you soon. Bye-bye.